Sherwood Forest Faire camping entrance weekends, March the 3rd to April the 22nd. New dates. Oh yeah, there's a line. Oh my goodness, somebody's got a schoolie for sale. Pink and white one. Fuchsia and white? Oh, I don't know. Looks like we're gonna get checked in, and then we're gonna go try to find a place to park. Hey.
How we doing?
I'm doing fantastic. How are you?
I'm doing great. We got tickets already?
Yes, I don't have the I got this, but I don't have my fare tickets yet.
Okay, so we need to get your fare ticket up here too. Otherwise, you got to come back up here tomorrow.
Oh, I was just going to buy them at the gate.
That we are the gate.
Oh, frick. Oh. Oh.
So it's just $25 for your ticket.
Now, I'm going to come on Sunday, but can I get the Sunday one?
So the Sunday one is going to be buy one, get one free. So it's easiest just to come up here because those tickets are good anytime.
Oh, they are?
So if you come back another weekend, you'll already have your ticket paid for the price of one.
No. A lot of tent camping. No right turn, but I can turn left, and I think this guy's going to let me turn. That's good. So there's rigs off there to the left. The camp director told me that he does not appreciate people who are territorial in their camping. That you will love thy neighbor and you will park wherever you find a comfortable place to park. Oh, I am totally in the wrong place. I just realized that I turned too soon. Isn't this funny? Alright, well let me get back out on the main road again. Yeah, I accidentally pulled into a little loop-de-loop. I pulled in too soon. I still gotta go 2 more camps over. It's gonna be a hike to get over to the entry. The campers have their own entrance. We go in by the castle. We don't go into the main entry. Can you see the name of this camp? It's called Nottingham. That's funny. But look at that. Look how that is an established camp. Don't you know it? Nottingham is a pretty big camp. Well, this over here looks like I am going to be too prone to getting stuck. I know where I'm going to go back to. This is Friday afternoon. People are coming out today, getting their tents and everything set up for the weekend. There was some real severe storms over the last 2 or 3 days, and you can see how the storm wreaked havoc on this one's setup. Yeah, those tents are not designed to be left up for a long period of time. Temporary shelter just means temporary. We've seen that before, haven't we? Look at that. That's a wonderful little canned ham. But their shade proved to be temporary. We're going to walk around a little bit. Interesting. Look at all these tents over here. Wow, that looks like a ute. I think it is. This is the loud section. Their quiet hour starts at midnight. This is the RV section, where they suggest that people park as close as possible to one another. Well, I just met some real friendly folk. The ladies are setting up their camping area, and the guys are just hanging around watching. Well, they don't want to interfere. This sign here to the castle. That's my entrance into the fair. Let's check it out. I love the fence. It's a pretty awesome spot. It's really neat the way the landowner has designed this. As a clan, you can come out here and apply for a long-term permit, and you can stake out a claim to the land, and you can have that same camping spot year after year after year after year, as long as you maintain it and you keep it clean. Oh wow, look at Brigadoon. This is a huge clan. Look at that. My concern is how to get to where I want to go. Oh, look. Laugh a lot. That's a clan too. Look how well maintained those trails and stuff are. Isn't that beautiful? And look, they have their own porta potties and everything. Yep. There's another little trail that goes in through a private camping area there. Well, it looks like the castle's going to be to the right. But Lord have mercy. Where are all these other places? Okay. The Bad Ship Renegade. Dragons OTR 420 Old Clan Drive. The Claw. Chaos. Clan Procrastination. That's me. Mug and Flame. Impaler. Ooh. I don't know what that one says. It looks like it's washed away a little bit. Meow meow. And Beer Ye, Beer Ye. KOTS. That's an abbreviation for something. We'll find out before the weekend's over. Pirates of Poseidon. And Sherwood Castle is that way. Phoenix Risen. Free Spirit Clan. Realm of Rameth. Camp Store. Oh, there's a camp store. And you know what? They even have hot showers out here too. Noctomania. And a fire show. Here's the Pirates of Poseidon. Love that fence, don't you? Okay. That's a fancy entry right up here. Now, don't you love that pop-up camper right ahead? It's a truck camper on the back of a trailer. Not even on a truck. Knights of the Shadow. Wow. Wouldn't you love to just be able to come out here and camp every weekend for 2 months in the Texas spring? In these beautiful forests. Okay, well, this hike has taken me way around. Here we are. There's the showers. Yep. Porta potties here. Shower hut there. Gourmet food and more. Open Friday, Saturday, 7 to 2 a.m. Does that say 2 a.m.? Now open Sundays for dinner, 7 to midnight. Whoa. Breakfast Saturday and Sunday, 7 a.m. to Cannon. And then by the fire dancing. Yep. I'm back here behind the castle. Yep. This is behind the scenes. This is unbelievable. It is a city out here in the woods. An incredible city of tents and trailers and vagabonds. Well, I sure am glad I got here early because I would be lost. I have realized now that I am going to have to get a very early start in the morning to get here on time. Oh, here's the fire show. There's the Garden of Eden. More tents over there. Mug of Flame parking. You know, I'm getting lost and I do not have a map. Oh, hell. And I know that I've just got into the biggest area of camping. There's the caddy shack. I gotta tell you, I gotta walk ahead of me every day to get out there to the fairgrounds. Because it is not close. It has to have been half a mile in each direction. Oh yeah, anybody can do a half mile. I know, yeah. Yeah, you come on and do it then. This bird here sees herself in the reflection of that mirror. Isn't that amazing? Oh, that's Nottingham. Nottingham. They have shown up since I drove through a while ago. Look at those overhead tents. Look at that. People building their fires. Really interesting rigs and tents and things out here too. Look at that. I gotta admit, I must have lost a few inches because I cannot walk without pulling my pants up every 3 seconds. There's the caddy shack. Oops, and I'm fixing to lose my pants. Shall we take to the path to the fair? I took one path earlier, and it took me a long time to get there. So I'm trying to find a shorter path. There are some incredible rigs out here. Look over the fence. Don't you want that? This is so close to being just like the RTR. It's packed. 24 acres. 24 acres of this, folks.